Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a mini Cooper head gasket. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools, like a torque wrench and a gasket scraper, ready for the job. Next, you'll need to safely drain the engine coolant and relieve any fuel system pressure. Finally, disconnect the battery and carefully remove the air intake components to gain access. Now, let's move on to removing the cylinder head itself. Begin by disconnecting all electrical connectors and hoses attached to the head. Then, carefully remove the valve cover and the camshafts, paying close attention to their orientation. Finally, loosen and remove the cylinder head bolts following the manufacturer's specified sequence to prevent damage. Before installing the new gasket, proper cleaning and inspection are crucial. Use a suitable scraper to thoroughly clean all mating surfaces on both the cylinder head and the engine block, removing every trace of old gasket material. Carefully inspect both surfaces for any signs of warpage or damage. Also, check the valves and valve seats for wear. With the surfaces clean, install the new head gasket and carefully place the cylinder head back into position, tightening the bolts to the specified torque. Reconnect all hoses, electrical connectors, and other components. Refill the cooling system and ensure all air is bled out. Finally, start the engine, check for any leaks, and take it for a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.